Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of easy wooden shelves design ideas to transform tiny spaces and income potential. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Wooden shelves are not just pieces of furniture, they are statements. In small apartments, cozy cottages, and even minimalistic offices, they act as both form and function, offering much more than storage. They bring personality to bare walls, elevate ordinary corners, and allow us to use vertical space in ways that feel seamless rather than forced. For those with limited square footage, the ability to transform a single blank wall into a purposeful, curated, and inviting area using wooden shelves is nothing short of transformational. The beauty of wooden shelves lies in their simplicity. Crafted with basic tools and a few solid planks, they invite even beginner woodworkers into the realm of creating. Unlike bulky furniture or complex cabinetry, shelves offer instant gratification. With just a few screws and brackets, they're up on the wall. And yet, the impact they make is far greater than their footprint. They become bookshelves, plant stands, spice organizers, display ledges, or bedside storage, all depending on how you choose to use them. That adaptability is what makes them timeless. As our needs change, wooden shelves continue to serve. They are not tied to trends, and they don't age poorly. Their function grows with us. There's also an emotional quality that wood uniquely carries into a space. Unlike plastic or metal, wood tells a story. Its grain patterns, its imperfections, even its knots, speak of time and natural process. When you install a handcrafted shelf, you bring that story into your room. You add a layer of warmth that isn't artificial. You connect your living space to something organic, grounding, and real. This is especially important in small homes where every object must earn its place. In such environments, wooden shelves offer both utility and beauty, a rare blend that satisfies both the rational mind and the aesthetic heart. Crafting wooden shelves is also a beautiful act of mindful making. The process itself requires intention. Each cut, each smooth edge, each finish chosen is a decision toward elegance and utility. For the woodworker, whether amateur or seasoned, creating a shelf is not just about measuring and sanding. It's about imagining how this piece will live in someone's home. Will it hold their favorite books? A childhood photo? A collection of herbs by the kitchen window? This act of projection, of imagining the shelf's life beyond the workshop, makes it a deeply human craft. It's design with empathy. It's function designed with emotion. In tiny homes or apartments, space is not just a constraint. It's an invitation to design smarter. Every inch matters, and every item must serve more than one purpose. Wooden shelves answer this need beautifully. They free up counter space, reduce clutter, and introduce vertical organization without the need for additional floor furniture. But more than that, they also allow for creativity in decor. A single floating shelf with a minimalist vase and framed quote can redefine an entire wall. A narrow ledge above the bed can replace a nightstand entirely. These small changes produce large impacts, creating a space that feels intentional rather than improvised. In many ways, wooden shelves act like punctuation in a home's design. They help break up blank walls, introduce rhythm and balance to vertical space, and bring visual relief in rooms filled with straight lines and sharp edges. The warmth of natural wood softens even the most modern interior, and the handcrafted quality of custom shelving instantly adds character. Whether you're living in a studio apartment or designing a tiny office nook, the right shelf can turn an unused corner into a statement of functionality and grace. There's also something deeply satisfying in being able to create your own solution. For those who craft their own shelves, there's a unique joy in knowing that a piece was made by hand and built to fit your specific space. This brings a level of satisfaction that mass-produced furniture simply cannot offer. The grain you selected, the stain you applied, the careful leveling and mounting, all of it becomes part of your personal story. And in a world where our spaces are often dominated by fast furniture and generic design, that story matters. It brings authenticity to your home. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, Please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The timelessness of wooden shelves also makes them ideal for resale or gifting. Their neutral appeal means they work in rustic cottages, contemporary lofts, bohemian bedrooms, or traditional family homes. People of all ages and styles can appreciate them. And for makers looking to turn woodworking into a source of income, these small but impactful projects offer high demand, low material cost, and endless customization. A woodworker can start with a basic floating shelf and build a product line: entryway racks with hooks, kitchen spice ledges, bathroom caddies, and book display units. Each is simple enough to produce in volume, but unique enough to feel special to the buyer. On a deeper level, wooden shelves also represent a philosophy, one that values craftsmanship, purpose, and calm. In a world filled with distractions and disposable design, shelves invite us to slow down. They ask us to curate, not accumulate, to place things with care, to highlight the meaningful. Whether it's a photograph, a keepsake box, or a hand-poured candle, what we put on our shelves often says more about us than what we hide in our drawers. In this way, wooden shelves become quiet altars of intention in our daily lives. That's the magic, really, the combination of timeless design, deep functionality, and quiet beauty. They are neither flashy nor complicated, yet their presence transforms a space. They make small rooms feel bigger by making walls useful. They reduce visual noise by lifting clutter off horizontal surfaces. And they provide a stage for the small joys in our lives to be seen, elevated, and appreciated. Every mug collection, every worn copy of a favorite novel, every small potted plant benefits from the silent support of a well-placed wooden shelf. Wooden shelves are not just a practical solution for tiny spaces, they are a design philosophy in action. They celebrate simplicity, honor materials, and reflect our desire to live with more meaning and less mess. They empower makers to create, sellers to profit, and dwellers to personalize. And perhaps most importantly, they invite us to rethink how we use space, not by adding more, but by choosing better. In every grain of wood lies the potential to transform a room. And in every shelf crafted with care lies a small but profound step toward beauty, function, and intention. In the tiniest corners of our lives, wooden shelves offer a timeless invitation to elevate the everyday. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked easy wooden shelves design ideas to transform tiny spaces and income potential. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.